limbs, eyes, and how to assemble them. Then we made 7 short stitches in a ring. Fasten a marker to the first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Then tighten the coil at the position where the marker was removed. We'll make a slip stitch at the mark. Pull it over. Our hand part is easy to crochet. Our hand is still 7 stitches. But we need to change colors in the middle. We crochet 7 short stitches in the first 2 rows. Then in the 3rd and 4th rows, we started to change colors. First, we crochet the first 2 rows. Two rounds of blue. Then we switched to red thread to bring the last loop through. Then use the red thread to pull through. Pull it through and make a standing stitch. We'll crochet another round of red. The loop and cut the thread. Then we'll close the stitches invisibly. Then break the blue thread. Seamlessly close. Then we need to crochet 2 hands. Then hook 2 hands and put them aside. We'll crochet the feet next. We need to crochet the feet with red thread. Make 6 short stitches in a ring. First, make a marker. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6. Make 6 short stitches in a ring. Then pull the loop in. Pull through at the marker. We started the second round. Second round, start with a chain stitch. Add stitches and short stitches. Repeat this cycle. We crochet 2 groups. 1 short stitch, 1 increase. One short stitch, another set. 1 short stitch, 1 increase. One short stitch. Then, at the position of the marker, we'll do a slip stitch. Cut off this thread. Second round. Then in the 3rd and 4th rounds, we just crochet without increasing or decreasing. 8 short stitches. You can finish it by yourself. In the 3rd and 4th rounds, we crocheted 8 short stitches. We finished the last stitch. After hooking, leave a little long thread and then sew it up seamlessly. Sew it up without marks because our legs are slightly thicker than our hands. put a little less cotton inside. Then leave this long thread. We can stuff a little bit inside to make it look fuller. Don't stuff too much, just a little bit. After stuffing a little bit, we can sew. You can sew it a little bit, or you can use a glue gun to stick it. We need to crochet 2 of these. We prepare 2 legs and put them aside for later use. Next, we crochet the eyes. For the eyes, we use the double braided starting method. Double braids, which means there are no holes after we finish crocheting. This specific method and detailed tutorials can be found in my previous videos. Leave a longer thread and come from the front. Then at the first stitch, we button a marker. 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Then go back to the second stitch and crochet 3 short stitches and mark 1. 2 stitches. 3 short stitches. Then you can cut off this thread. 3 short stitches. Then we at the top of it. In the last stitch, 3 short stitches. 1 stitch. 3 short stitches. After 3 short stitches, we crochet 2 short stitches. 2 short stitches. And then in the last stitch, we'll crochet 1 short stitch increase. Then we pull the needle to the position of the marker. After pulling it over, we started the second round. In the second round, we started with 4 short stitches and make a mark. 2, 3. After 4 short stitches, we'll make a single crochet increase. Crochet increases. After the short stitches increase, then we crochet 4 short stitches. Then in the last stitch, we'll crochet an extra single crochet stitch. After 4 short stitches, we'll crochet an extra single crochet at the top. Then we crochet 4 short stitches on the opposite side. 4 short stitches. And then there is the last stitch. In the last stitch, we crochet an extra stitch. We need to change the thread for the last round. We'll change to black thread. So in the last round, at the J here, we switched to black thread to pass through this loop. Then we'll pull through the first stitch. We change to black thread. After pulling it through, we need to crochet a round of short stitches without increasing or decreasing to make a round of short stitches. You can finish this round of short stitches by yourself. And for these eyes, we prepared 2. Then we'll assemble it next. Fix the eyes. Fix it with this positioning pin first. Let's see the effect. Press it here first. Then hand. the position. Adjust it. Then adjust the position. After adjusting the position, we will glue it. After gluing, it will be the effect of the main picture. In the next video, we will finally see the weaving method of the cobweb.